You know what today is, Lucy?
What's today?
Do you know what today is?
Do you know what today
What's
is?
today? It's Easter today.
Can you take a picture now?
I am taking a picture right now.
Right now.
Say Happy Easter, everyone.
Are you ready to go see what the Easter Bunny has left you?
I think the Easter Bunny came to our house.
Get her out, Mommy.
I think he came.
Let's go see. He did.
I think he did. Let's go look and see.
No.
He did.
Let's go look and see.
He did. Come on, let's go see.
No.
What's going on in here? Look it. He came to see you.
No.
Look, he brought presents.
Look at all the presents he bought.
He came while you were sleeping.
Sleeping is sleep.
Look it.
Wow. The bunny. This guy not here. What's this stuff? What's it?
Did the Easter Bunny bring you an Easter basket?
A bunny.
He brought you a bunny?
He was in a bag. Bubsy! He was for Christmas.
For Easter.
Can I have him?
Sure.
Can you get some out of the bag?
Sure.
Can you cut the bag with the scissors?
Sure.
Nice decorating house, everyone. This smells beautiful. It matches my jammies. It matches my jammies.
Yeah?
Thank you, everyone, for taking me to Lucy's house.
You're welcome, honey.
It's my Dora pail. It's my Dora pail.
Did the Easter Bunny bring you a Dora pail?
Yeah, it was for me, Mom. I got a present.
You got a present?
Can I wrap it up?
Sure.
Can I see it what it is?
Sure.
Can I get my present wrapped? I need it wrapped. You made it for me. Easter cord and soft Easter bunnies in a soft doll.
What is it?
Easter bunny and duck.
Cool.
Can I open my card up?
Sure.
It was from Easter Bunny.
It's not a card, honey. Those are just some toys.
Ooh, I want my toys.
Okay, see what else you got.
What else is in that Dora bucket?
A bunny. A bunny egg.
Cool. You got a lot of things there.
Can I see what's else in here?
You sure can.
A dress for me. And candy. And candy.
Wow.
And some presents. Can I open it up and see?
Sure.
One more. I got many of them.
sit on the couch and hold your basket, Lucy, and Mommy will take your picture.
And I got some
More
presents.
presents?
Yeah, for Christmas.
For Easter, honey.
For Easter. Yeah. I got some presents.
You sure got a lot of presents.
Can I open them up?
Yeah, sit down on the couch and open them so we can see you. Turn around. Turn around and look at